Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Habib Bank Limited loan error fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is check your internet connection. Simply drop down from your top right notification toolbar. Then inside, simply turn the Wi-Fi on and off. If that doesn't work, simply switch to the mobile data, and if that doesn't work, simply restart your router. Then next method that you can do is make sure your username and password are correct by simply heading over to the SBI Bank app, then entering with your right credentials, sometimes the wrong capital letters, extra spaces, old-state passwords, and wrong keyboard language also cause this issue. Simply type a password manually and don't use your autofill. The next method that you can use is simply head over to your settings. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on general. Then once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside the iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Habib Bank Limited application, and once you're inside, select offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing out the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been done, what you need to do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then you can head over to your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Habib Bank Limited, and then simply tap on the app and look for an update. If the app requires it, simply update the app, because sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just updating the app will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.